Hello guys, welcome to Erwin's World. Today I am showing you how you can upgrade to Windows 11. So first you have to go to the settings, then click update and security, check for updates, and mine is already here, so you can click download and install. I will stay on Windows 10 for now because I upgraded to Windows 11 before, but it had a little bit connection issues and some more. I will make a separate video on it. So if this doesn't appear, go to optional updates and driver updates, update all drivers, and if it says that my PC is not uh, compatible with Windows 11, then you will not have the TPM or recommended processor. So how you can check the TPM is, press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc, click enter. It will open this. So click. So it has TPM 2.0. You can see here it must have 2.0 or it will not be compatible, and greater processor than Intel i5 7th gen. So that's all for today's video. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button and share with your friends so they can upgrade to Windows 11. I will make a separate video on the cons and pros of Windows 11. So till then, bye.